Today, people are being forced from their homes at an alarming rate. Of the 22.5 million refugees, over half are under the age of 18. According to a Migration Policy Institute report in 2015 about Syrian refugee children, almost half of children displayed symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. This can be attributed to 79% of children having had a family member die, 60% having seen violence in some way, and 30% having been victims of violence. PTSD can cause individuals to have nightmares, anxiety, social withdrawal, and mistrust and hostility toward others. Therefore, with over half of children being affected by this disorder, it is clear that this problem needs to be addressed. We chose to focus on solving this problem by increasing the psychological health of children suffering from PTSD. Our client requires that the materials used in the solution must be recycled, reused, or repurposed. Additionally, of the materials used, at least 50% need to be upcycled from the refugee camp. The materials used also need to be readily available, and the solution should be designed with a level of safety in mind. The product cannot add any additional waste to the refugee camp, and it must also be simple and easy to create. A successful solution will benefit the lives of the whole community as well as improve the mental health of children ages 3 to 12 by encouraging them to interact, make relationships, and have fun. We determined through a weighted decision matrix that a playground was the best option. In the weighted decision matrix, we measured each of our top solutions with the criteria of effectively addressing the problem, safety, simplicity, and material usage. The playground was the best choice due to its ability to host up to 20 children simultaneously and be made out of almost all recycled material while still maintaining a relatively safe environment. As stated by Smith, Robinson, and Segal, 2017, one of the most effective treatments for trauma in children is distraction by engaging in fun activities. The solution will also be creative to construct and will ideally last over a year. Our playground will include at least 2 tire swings, 2 seesaws, and a climbing/slide structure. Depending on the location, the playground will include more than 2 tire swings based on availability of solid tree space. Each seesaw will be made of half a tire that is secured to a solid plank of wood. The tire swings will be made out of a tire hung from a tree with rope. The slide structure will be supported by reused pallets. On each side of the slide, there will be an area for children to climb up the structure and get to the top of the slide. The actual slide will be recycled plastic that will be brought into the camp. We decided not to add monkey bars due to the difficulty in construction and the risk for injury. To measure success, we will return to the camp every year to check on the structural integrity of the playground and record how many children play on the playground in a single day. If the structural integrity is solid and 15% of the refugee camp's child population play on the playground in a single day, then the playground will be considered a success. This is unique in the fashion that nearly all refugee camps do not have playgrounds, and the few that do are not made from recycled materials. Our safe recreation ground allows children ages 3 to 12 to play on a variety of recycled, upcycled equipment throughout the day. This solution will benefit the lives of the whole community as well as improve the mental health of children by encouraging them to interact, make relationships, and have fun in refugee camps around the world.